Hello အားလုံးပဲမင်္ဂလာပါဒီနေ့မှာတော့ church sport day ကိုခေါ်သွားမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်မနေ့စောတော့မနေ့စာတွေ့ချက်ဥပြုံးနဲ့ coffee တွေ့ရင်တွေတည်ထားပါတယ် coffee ဖြောပြီးတော့အင်းရှိမှာကားဆောင်နေပေါ်တော့အချိန်မှာ outfit check တွေပါလုပ်နေပါတယ်အပြာရောင်လေးဝတ်ရမယ်လို့ပြောထားလို့ပြာထီးမှာပေါ့နော်ဆိုတော့ပြာရောင်လေးဝတ်ထားပါတယ်ဒီမှာမနေ့9နာရီလောက်ပဲရှိသေးတယ်ဒါပေမဲ့မိုးတွေမင်းဖောင်းနေပါတယ်ပြီးတော့မိုးတွေစာရွာနေပါပြီဒါပေမဲ့စားထွက်ကြတယ်ပေါ့နော်ဟိုဖက်ရောက်သွားတော့ပစ္စည်းတွေခြားရှိတာတွေခြားကြတယ်မိုးရွာတဲ့ဒီတိုင်း shelter မှာပဲနေကြမယ်ဆိုပြီးတော့ဆက်လုပ်နေကြတယ်ပေါ့နော်ဒီမှာတော့ CET မှာသူတို့ fundraising လုပ်ဖို့အတွက်ဆက်လုပ်နေကြပါပြီမိခင်တွေကလည်းစားစရာတွေပြင်ဆင်နေကြတာပေါ့နော်ဒီမှာမိုးကတော့မဲမောင်းနေပါပြီဒီဘက်မှာလည်းဘာမှလုပ်ချက်သိမရှိသေးဘူးဆိုတော့ကလေးတွေနဲ့တန်စီးနေရပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဒီချိန်မှာမိုးတွေကဆရွာလာပြီဆိုတော့ shelter ထဲပြန်သွားရပါတယ်ဒီမှာလည်းဆက်ဆံမတဲ့တီးတွေဒီဟာအချိုရည်လောက်ကြရပေါ့နော်တီးတွေလေးနေကြပါတယ် This is our first customer and then ဒီမှာမိခင်တွေလည်းစာဝေးနေကြပြီစီfundraising ဆိုတော့အားပေးကြပါတယ်မိုးကတော့စိတ်ရွာနေဆဲပဲပေါ့နော်ဒါဆိုတော့ shelter ထဲမှာပဲနေကြတယ်ပြင်းတော့မထွက်ကြသေးဘူးပေါ့နော်ဒီနောက်လောက်မှာမိုးကတော့ဆဲလာပြီဆိုလူလည်းနည်းနည်းရောက်လာပြီများလာပြီဆိုတော့ဆူတောင်းချင်းနဲ့စီစဉ်စားကြတယ်ပေါ့နော်ဒီဘက်မှာကလေးတွေကတော့အစစ်စော့နေတော့ပါပဲစစ်စမတွေကလည်းဒီတတိတွေတော့ပေါ့နော် fundraising အတွက်ဒီလေးလုံးနေကြတာစားလို့ကောင်းပါတယ်ကလေးတွေကလည်းသူတို့ပန်းနဲ့သူတို့စောနေကြပါတယ်
You all will be red. Oh my goodness.
အဲဒီချိန်မှာနေရတော့ထွက်လာပြီပေါ့နော်မိုးလည်းဆဲသွားပြီဒါပေမဲ့လည်းအနေနဲ့တနားရီရောက်သွားပြီဆိုတော့ဒီ lunch ရင်စားဖို့သဘောတူကြရတော့နော်ဆိုတော့တုံးနဲ့ချက်သားနဲ့ဖောက်ပြစားလက်စားခဲ့ပါတယ်ဒီမှာလည်း conversation နဲ့ရှိကြတော့နော်အဲချိန်မှာစားပြီးတော့ restaurant စီတက်ကြပါတယ် restaurant မှာနည်းနည်းတော့လှမ်းနေဖို့နော်နည်းနည်းရှောက်ရတယ်အချိန်မှာစကားတွေပါတွေညတွေပြောပြသွားကြပါတယ်
How you feel today?
I feel great.
You look so good. Right here. What about you?
She looks great. She says she looks great. Great. Great.
What about you? How are you feeling
I'm
today?
feeling fantastic.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
Wow.
eating.
Did you just have Fanta drink?
Yeah.
What about you? Good? Super good. Wow.
Oh, look at this view. Right here, they're having fun, taking picture. I got a lot of pictures from there too. Our camera woman is so good. She's amazing girl. We are going back to our shelter, and then right here they're still playing some volleyball, just for fun. It's not the real game. And then right here, boom, we start playing game. I already played the first round, like Canon. My team is blue and some yellow team, I guess. Yeah, and we lose. And then right here they against each other, and then I just take a video from the other side. It's for fun, you know. It's like church members playing games together once a year in a sport day. So yeah, they try so hard. It's so fun when I look at it, bro.
That was way too.
And then I got injured from that game. That's scary. And the second game is volleyball, my favorite one. We play the first round and then we lose again. And right now it's the other teams. Then right here, this the mom. That mom is like she's really good at speaking and then like talking stuff, and that's so funny. She make the game more funnier.
Your team the turn now.
And right here, I'm back to the fundraising place to help them for selling stuff and eating some stuff too. It's so good. The sour thing is so hot too, so spicy and hot. We have to make some change.
I red.
Yeah, you are really, really red. Like, look at yourself.
Dang, I am red.
She's so tired. Her face are all red.
Busy, spot daisy.
There is Lucy Scene. She's the best girl ever.
15. Thank you. Your change. Wait, where's the camera at?
Give me. I forgot.
Okay, shout out to our camera women who works really hard, going around taking pictures for record. And there is the second round for volleyball. The yellow team is really good. The other part, kids are having fun. She's looking at her pictures and laughing.
Our camera women.
These are our 4 big kids who enjoy swimming. They're so cute. And then these 5 kids too. They really love sand. They don't even want to walk away from there. It is the 3rd game, soccer. I wasn't play soccer at that time because I don't know how to play soccer. And I'm heading back to the restroom for the second time. And then the views is really, really nice. Right here walking by myself, I was thinking to walk around the park, but I didn't do that because I feel like I shouldn't do that. And yeah, and it is award time. And my team got the 3rd place, Kanan team. And then there is, I think, the 1st place for volleyball. And they have to take pictures, so yeah. I didn't record everything, it's just like the one that I have. Because everyone got prize. There's for men's soccer, MVP, our pastor got it. And this little kid, his name is Chris. He really loved the trophy that his dad got. He's so happy. And these 2 girls, they're having fun during the preach. I mean, it's not preach, it's short speech. And then she got the 1st place and I got the 3rd. Yeah, finally we cleaning up together, helping each other to move back stuff, and then heading back to the parking lot.
We are done for today.
And we are done with everything. It's a really good experience. It becomes part of our memories. I really love that moment. Now we are heading back to our home. And yeah, thank you for watching my videos and see you guys in my next video. Thank you.